So next, you're going to add a game over message at the end of your game. So we're going to create a new variable called lives. So we have a certain amount of lives for our spaceship. Let's create a variable in our variable section where we can make a new variable. Let's name the new variable name lives. Your spaceship should start with 3 lives and lose a life whenever you touch a space alien or an orange. Your game should stop when the lives run out. So draw a new sprite called Game Over using the text tool. So we're going to draw a new sprite for this Game Over message. So we're going to paint a new sprite. And the best way to draw our message is to use the text tool. We change the fill to perhaps red. And feel free to get creative with your message by editing the font. I'll use Pixel. And we can type in the message Game Over. Now don't be afraid that it's so small at first. First, type out the message. And once you're done typing out the message, let's use this select tool. That way we can grab the edges of the Game Over message. And by grabbing the bottom right or bottom left, any part of the corner will stretch your image out nicely. Now feel free to center it the best way you can. Your sprite does not have to be centered in this scenario, as long as it fits your stage. And feel free to rename your sprite 1 Game Over. Once you have drawn your message, let's go ahead and add this code to your Game Over sprite so that it shows up at the end of the game. Because you used a broadcast in this game, and a wait block on your stage, we can do this message. So let's head over to our Game Over sprite. And let's go to Code. If we go ahead and add in the trigger when flag clicked hide, this will hide our message at first for it's not showing. And we can make a new message called When I Receive Game Over, Show. So when flag clicked, let's make sure our message is hiding. And only when the event, when I receive the new message called Game Over, we will show. And this will display at the ending of your game. But we also have to set our variables. So go to your backdrop and add this code. And we need to also figure out how to subtract the lives when the rocket ship gets hit by the space alien or the orange. So when the lives reaches 0, the Game Over sprite has shown and stopped all. So first let's go to our backdrop. To go to our backdrop, go to the right portion of the screen and click on Stage. This is our stage script. So in our stage script, we're going to say when flag click and set our variable lives to 3, for we have 3 lives. So the event, when flag clicked. Let's set our variable lives to 3 lives. That way when the flag is clicked, it will show we have 3 lives. So we need more blocks for this scenario. That way when we are hit, we as the rocket ship get hit by the alien or the orange, and when the lives reaches 0, the Game Over sprite will show and it has stopped all. So these are the blocks you'll need. Feel free to figure out how we can rearrange these blocks.